Welcome to our tutorial on how to add effects to your video call on Messenger. Let's walk through the steps to elevate your video chats. Step 1. Open Messenger on your Android device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed. Step 2. Initiate a video call with the person you wish to chat with. Make sure they accept the call to start the video chat. Step 3. While in the video call, locate the effects icon on the left side of the screen. Tap on it to reveal the effects list at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Explore the variety of filters available by swiping left or right on the effects list. Take your time to browse through different filters for the perfect visual enhancement. Step 5. Once you find an effect or filter you like, simply tap on it to apply it to your video chat. The effect will be instantly visible during the call, adding a touch of creativity to your conversation. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your video calls on Messenger with exciting effects and filters. Experiment with different effects to personalize your video chats and make them more engaging and enjoyable.